Hello students. Welcome to GyanWisdom. I am glad to see you here today. Today we will learn about
blood, its composition and functions.
Blood. Blood is a connective tissue that circulates throughout the body. It is made up of a fluid medium called plasma, in which float three types of blood cells called red blood cells, white blood cells, and blood platelets. Blood cells are manufactured in the bone marrow. Red blood cells, RBC or erythrocytes. These are circular in shape and contain a red-colored pigment called hemoglobin. No nucleus is present in RBCs. RBC carries oxygen to tissues and bring back carbon dioxide from tissues. About 5 million mm³ erythrocytes occur in circulating blood. White blood cells, WBC or leukocytes. Since they carry no pigments, therefore they so are colorless. WBC have irregular shape. In the circulating blood, 5,000 to 7,000 mm³ WCs are present. They prevent body from infections by eating up germs or by producing antibodies. Blood platelets, thrombocytes. These are very small fragments of cells. They have no nuclei. They participate in clotting of blood. Functions of blood. Blood carries nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hormones, and waste material to the relevant parts of the body. Some medicines, when taken in the body, are also distributed through blood.
Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. If you love to learn through such animation classes, download GyanWisdom app now. In our free batch you will get animated chapter revision, free notes, solved exercises, extra questions, free MCQ practice sets, and test series. Happy learning!